Hey guys, I just wanted to take some time to acknowledge something. Somebody the other day sent this comment, can you work on your audio levels? And we knew exactly what that meant. Our audio, we knew that when we did our Natalie story video, we had, we tried to be kind of artistic in doing the story, so we had different camera angles. We backed up and got a little far away from her. We um, the wind was blowing. We were outside, outdoor noises and all that stuff. So that's kind of when we noticed that we should start thinking about upping our production values a little bit. But no one really said anything about it. But I had to do like all the closed captioning or subtitles on that video and a few others, because even the whatever the YouTube closed caption system did not pick up what she said. But this has been an ongoing problem even for me, even when I do louder videos and stuff. Like this Carly, she mentioned you know this on a Commodore 64 video, and I was being intentionally loud when I did it. But with that being said, we still have problems, and I think possibly one of the problems on the iPhone 8 that I'm on, and possibly on the iPhone 11 we occasionally use to do videos, is that I'm behind the camera on the selfie side, and over here is the regular camera and the regular microphone over here. So I am behind the mic with the phone case sort of obstructing my voice and stuff like that. So I'm definitely acknowledging that something is amiss here, and we definitely need to upgrade our microphone equipment. So we had two headsets here with microphones on them, Bluetooth. These guys are Logitech's. They were made, or at least Natalie bought these guys for voice dictation on her Mac Plus, voice to text, and the speakers and headphone portion works. The microphones we never were able to get to work, and we haven't really done anything after trying to get those to work to actually find an alternative, like a clip-on microphone or something. But I think that we definitely, now that people are saying stuff, we definitely need to look into how to get that fixed. I apologize for the problem, and I'm acknowledging that this is a big problem, and let's see if we can figure it out and move forward. Thanks.